Hello and welcome to video Great Pyramids of Giza. In this video I would like to present you my trip from resort Jazz Aquaviva Hurghada to Cairo and Giza, where we had a look at the Great Pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx. But first let me just show you how we get there. It was all organized by our provider TUI. With a small jet plane, we went to Cairo airport. Flight took around 50 minutes, and the first stop was Egyptian Museum, where our guide gave us some really good informations about this.
We call it the false door or the gateway. So what is the purpose of the false door or the gateway? So from the beginning of the day, I'm telling you the story about the pyramids to preserve the mummy, to protect the mummy, to make the mummy survive and to last for a very long time. So this statue, we call it a real size statue. Why we call it a real size one? Because if the thing is standing up, it's going to be at his real height. It's about 170 centimeters. Okay? So do you know, everyone was expecting that the first supposed to be like huge people, but they are a normal human being, just sitting right here on the throne, wearing a hair wig and wearing the false beard, all of this sign, which is a royalty sign in the olden time.
So the Museum of Egyptian Antiques, known commonly as the Egyptian Museum or the Cairo Museum, is home to an extensive collection of ancient Egyptian antiques. It has 120,000 items with a representative amount on a display and a reminder in the storerooms. As of March of 2019, the museum was open to the public. In 2022, the museum is due to be suppressed by the newer and larger Grand Egyptian Museum at Giza. We had some spare time after our tour guide showed us around. So we just, as I said, have a lot of time to go around. It is a big museum on 2 stores, and there's a lot of good things to see there. I highly recommend to go and visit this place. After the museum tour, we had organized lunch in a nice restaurant on the River Nile. From there, our next destination was Great Pyramids of Giza, and I just want to mention that all fares was included in this price, which was around 250 euros or dollars, so everything was included. Take our camels and have a ride all the way to the spot where we can have nice pictures of all of the pyramids. So let's see how this goes.
So, camel, okay? Yeah. Just stand right there. Camel, just right here.
يلا زلزال يلا ادرك عشان النطره يا
Just right there.
This camel ride was a little bit longer. Around 15 minutes it took us to go to that spot, and as I said in a previous video, the ride is not comfortable, so get prepared for that. Why are you doing that? Hey, ow! Okay, it's enough. Scratching your eyes. Hey! After arriving to that specific spot, we had opportunity to take some photos and videos of these amazing pyramids, and I will just let you enjoy in this couple of minutes, and you can basically see what's waiting for you on your next trip. After pyramids and sphinx, our last stop was the government facility where they manufactured the Egyptian famous papyrus.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Yes, how are you? Fine? Okay, my name is Sahar Al-Sharif and I'll be your local guide here for next few minutes to explain about this papyrus plant and how the ancient Egyptian peoples made those papers from this plant. So first we have this plant. This is first time to see this plant?
Yeah.
Me too. So this is our papyrus plant here. This plant, it's a tropical and aquatic plant. That's why it has amount of water and sugar. For this reason, in the ancient time, they were eating this plant like sugar cane. Okay? They consider it also a holy plant, and that's for two reasons. The first reason, because it's flower like you see here, it looks like the sun rays, and sun rays symbol of Amun-Ra, and the Amun-Ra was god of the sun. After that, we put it under this press machine to make it stick together. By the way, in the ancient times, they didn't have this machine, that's why.
And that was all from this amazing trip. If you like it, please press that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Until the next one, bye.